Español 1, Unidad 3, Lección B, Gramática. The formula ir plus a plus infinitive is used to talk about what someone is going to do or what is going to happen. First, you need one of the conjugations of the verb ir, which means to go. The conjugations are voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, and van. You should have those in previous notes. Then you need to use the word a, which means to, and finally an infinitive, which is a verb that has not been conjugated, so it should still end in AR, ER, or IR. Let's look at a few examples. Tu vas a ser una profesora means you are going to be a teacher. Ellos van a caminar a la clase, meaning they are going to walk to class. Vamos a plus infinitive can be used to make a suggestion, like vamos a comer al restaurante, which means let's go eat at the restaurant. Now let's review how to conjugate AR verbs by looking at a verb from our current vocabulary, tomar, which means to take or to drink. Yo is tomo, tú tomas, usted, él, and ella, toma, nosotros, nosotras, tomamos, vosotros, tomáis, ustedes, ellos, and ellas, toman. Notice that you leave what's called the stem, T-O-M, and you take off the ending, A-R, and you replace it with what is in red, the endings. Here are a couple examples. Tomas el jugo o el agua means, are you drinking the juice or the water? And tomo el refresco means, I drink a soft drink. To conjugate ER verbs, you have similar endings, but instead of an A, you would use an E. Let's look at the verb comer, which means to eat, from our current vocabulary. Yo would be como, tú comes, usted, él, and ella come, nosotros comemos, vosotros coméis, ustedes, ellos, and ellas comen. Notice you do the same thing. You remove the ER ending, and then you add the endings for ER verbs, which are shown in red. Here are some examples of ER verbs conjugated in sentences. Yo leo el libro means I read the book. Comemos en la cafetería. We eat in the cafeteria. In our current vocabulary, there are also some irregular verbs in the yo form, which are hacer, which changes to yo hago. Saber changes to yo sé. And ver changes to yo veo. An example of one of those is hago la tarea, which means I do the homework.